Today we are looking at the Sony NEX-VG30 professional camcorder with zoom lens, the 18x55mm. I also have accessories, the Alfonso cage with 3 hot shoe mounts, and a Pixel Pro external microphone. The interesting thing about this camera is that it is a Handycam with an external lens mount, so you can mount any Sony E brand lens onto this Handycam. It records video at 1080p 60fps and 1080p 24fps. What also makes this camera unique is that it has 2 different channel modes. It has stereo mode for the front 2 microphones and 4-channel mode for all 4 microphones. In all honesty, the body of this camcorder is made of very cheap plastic that scratches easily, so I would recommend being incredibly safe with it. Do not drop it and do not throw it around. This camcorder has 2 different ways of seeing what it is that you're recording, through the iCup viewfinder and through the pop-out screen viewfinder on the side. On the side, there are many tabs. The first tab we're going to look at contains the charger tab and the headphone jack tab. The next tab has the USB slot and a mini HDMI spot for connecting external screens. The tab at the top has the external microphone jack for microphones. Next to that is the button for digitally zooming in and out. And lastly, the button for taking photos. This camera comes equipped with a variety of buttons, including iris, playback, shutter speed, display, white balance, program AE, and the SD card slot. And next to that is the focus button, and next to that is the expanded focus button for zooming in on your subject to see if it is in focus. The microphone that you're hearing right now is in stereo mode. The wind is blowing. The microphone's okay. It's definitely great for indoor and interview type things because it has a surround sound mode which captures omnidirectional, everything around it. And it also has the stereo mode and the external microphone jack and the top handle, one of them, of the top hot shoe mounts, lets you plug in a Sony branded microphone, and you can just tap it on the very top and then it just draws phantom power without a cord, so you don't have to use the external microphone jack. And that's always handy. I haven't tested one out yet because there's only one that I know that's compatible, and it's $79 at Best Buy, and I already have a whole bunch of microphones, so I don't really need to buy one. But yeah, this is the built-in one with the wind muff. And here's the wind.